Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my brand new watercolor Photoshop action. This is the previously applied some result. This action create very beautiful and realistic and professional watercolor painting effect. Use our own custom formula and real hand brush texture. It's work perfectly on any image size and give outstanding high quality result. See the looking and if I zoom, then you can understand the full quality. This is the realistic and handmade style. So if you love sublimation, design, photo manipulation, digital painting, wall art, frame art, t-shirt design, or any kind of creative print design, then this section will help you a lot. So today I show you how to use it and custom it, and freehand customization any type of image. And with this section you can easily create digital handcraft, printing effect, artistic watercolor portrait, sublimation, print ready artwork, and creative wall art, frame art, stylish t-shirt and pin design. The best part of buy on and use unlimited time, no extra payment required. You can also full customization before decorate the final result with your own creativity. Use free and editable. So this is the original photo. Now I show you how to use it and custom it. First, go my download file. There is brush file, help file, pattern file and action file. This is the cover photo. You can see, you can read the help file. There is some information include how to use written format and our supporting information. You can load brush, select and double click, it's load your Photoshop automatically. Same way you can brush and pattern, select and double click, but you can load manually if you not understand. So you can load manually. How to load brush? Go window and brush option, click, then more option. If the brush panel like there are any of place show, then I have moved it, the more option and input brush, and find out my download file there, main file, brush file, and load button, click. Now it's loaded. And now I want to load pattern, window pattern and more option, click, input pattern, and find out my download file. There is show only pattern file because we load the pattern is loaded. Now we want to Photoshop action. Go window, our main script, go window and action option, click. Then action option show any area, right side maybe your panel, but I have set it left side for better showing purpose. Click the more option and load action, click. Now this is the final step and watercolor Photoshop action by Amara Kokon. Select and load button, click. Now is loaded up and down option panel. Last one, the watercolor, and this is the folder, this is the script, and we need to play there. But first we have open a photography. You can use any type of photography. I have used this photography this time. See, and my photography is not enough space, is the space in the right side. So simply just crop tool, select. This is extra tricks. If not the enough space, you need to show the brush stroke, then you need to make the space. So create the space and right button click, then it said crop, make a space, and again you can bottom side if you think you need the bottom side. So it's done. And okay, and one thing you can make sure that your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like transparent PNG or layer 0 format like this. That is not accept our action. You need to fix this. If your photography is transparent PNG or layer 0 format, right button click the layer option and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer. Already your photography lock background layer, so skip this step and make sure RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, go image mode, RGB color, just click RGB color. Now photo is prepared. Okay, now we want to select So use this step for shortcut way. Selection and select subject button. Now your photography is auto select. Okay, the main focus point. And now create a new layer and double click the rename option. Layer name must be rename it BRUSS, same spelling my this spelling include my help file. Check the help file if need, and click the other area, then it's set. And I have select the brush layer. Spelling again BRUSS. All are small letter, do not include space, hyphen, comma, uppercase, lowercase, mix up character. Only all are lowercase. Okay, and pen bucket tool. This is the pen bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool, but I need to full area, that's why I select the pen bucket tool, this tool, and you can click the any light color, and I have already brush layer selected, and hit just click the selection option and it's fill up. And we need to deselect first, then play the script. Selection and deselect. Now is deselect and select our all-in-one action. Select and play. This is the play button, and hit the play button. Start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. This script all layer are separate. Our hidden resource and our on resource, copyright by our on. And you can custom everything. All layer are editable. Everything is editable, and you can combine the effect. No skill required. Just watch this video. It's working still. Need 30 seconds or 40 seconds, or if your image is large, then 1 minute or 2 minutes. In this time I will show you something. It's working. Okay, this is our channel. You can subscribe our channel. Our all product video are available there, and you can purchase our product. Creative Market Shop, MRI Studio, this shop. Visit our shop, MRI Studio, and Creative Fabrica. You can visit our shop, MRI Studio. Also, you need to purchase the product Graphics River. Then you visit our shop, MRI Cocon. The all copyright product is our own copyright, all are exclusive. Also, you can visit our Adobe stock profile. There is like the biggest collection, our the resource, available resource, graphical resource available there. Check out the all product. Hope you like most, and everything is there. And visit our free pick profile user. All link are include. Even this product download link is include my video description. You can check out my video description. Okay, and this script is finishing. This is the result, and what's the quality. See the watercolor wash style we have included, so very realistic and handmade style. This is Photoshop handmade style. And just see the quality is very nice. And the pick the color or brush stroke, pick the color in our subject, main subject. See the hair is reddish than our reddish tone. So if your photography is more colorful, then brush stroke is the over colorful. And also you can control everything. This is the brush stroke. See separately in there is a on another looking style, another combination. And bottom side we have another brush stroke. Like all are separate, and composition you can combine yourself. This is the hidden. You can use this one for hard and more realistic looking. You can use this. Now is hidden. And our another backward hidden, you can use it. See the full area. This work in full area, then you can use this one. So see, and if you use the full area, then there is the white space, because we have make the space in fast. Remember it. You can recover it. Select this image, this uncheck this one, then show the black and white combination. You can use this one, and transform tool use, like this move tool and show transform tool, and you can make transform it your image then color replace overall area. See, there is no skill required. Just select and need to fix and right button, the OK mark, and show transform off, then it's release. So this is the full area. Extra tricks we have include everything. You can check out the layer there. This time I have unchecked this one, or you need to extra color added, view this one and double click this option and check out. Now you can control the color. See the soft color now. Okay, I have hide this one and hide this one now, and also you can hide this and this, the all back, this back option all. Now transparent PNG is show. You can export as a quick export as a transparent PNG, or you can layer PSD transparent PSD file save for sublimation print. And also you can check this paper option must be if you do not want to the paper. Okay, and select this marks for better option. This is the extra tricks. You can select this marks and top color is black and brush 100% and soft brush. You can brush this extra area, then better option. Now fully transparent, not only the portrait area, the full area is now transparent, because we need to out of paper this extra area, or simply you can out check this paper option, but we need this. Okay, and extra color, see the extra color looking. Now we can go background use, see the looking is different. So move to top and our many combination is there. Okay, what's this? This is the one kind of result, and this is the photo main effect back art include. This is the back art option, see, and this is the top power effect, and select this marks and you can brush the area and remove some area, then back art show smooth purpose, smoothing purpose. See, now it's smooth like here and others area. You can make it smooth, just brush this marks area and make sure the back support is on. Another back support, see. Okay, and if you don't like this effect, hide, use another one use and hide this one. This is another style and another looking. You can understand if you enlarge the photo, sorry. See, and another one, just view effect, see, another watercolor quality, and another one, the great looking. We have combined this Photoshop action and fully professional. And there is the simply adjustment. Double click this option. You can make some adjustment if you think you can make the adjustment. See, the quality is great and fully professional. And see, my work resolution image is this script support any high resolution image, any size of image, and fully professional. And all our layer you can custom every layer separately. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, our profile, our Facebook fan page, our WhatsApp number for reply fast, our email. Check out all information include, even download link, this product download link include, and my profile. You can visit marketplace profile, check out my video description. Thanks for watching.